In LEED version 4.1 for building design and construction, outdoor water use reduction, indoor water use reduction and building level water metering are required prerequisites for achieving water efficiency credits. The water efficiency prerequisites and credits in LEED version 4.1 include the following priorities. Installation of permanent water meters that measure the total potable water use for the project. Teams are also encouraged to sub-meter water subsystems. Irrigation of outdoor spaces must be shown to either be unnecessary or to be reduced by at least 30% from typical figures, through the selection of native or adapted plants for landscaping, alternative water sources for irrigation or irrigation efficiency measures. Using appliances with certain efficiency standards is mandatory, as is the installation of WaterSense certified, low-flow fixtures, to reduce indoor water use. A new option in the former cooling tower water use credit addresses water used for mechanical processes. This credit encourages the recycling and reuse of non-potable water for cooling and mechanical building needs. The Sustainable Sites category's rainwater management credit in LEED version 4.1 building design and construction encourages projects to mitigate the problems of stormwater runoff pollution by responsibly managing rainwater on site.